Today, from Cafe 1853, we bring you Crusted Halibut over Lentil Medley. You're gonna love this one. We're using a little French saucepan here to heat up our onions and our garlic and just get everything infused and starting to turn to translucence here. Boy, don't you love the colors that are reflecting off that pan? Amazing. Add the ginger a little bit later, and then you're just getting all of these herbs and flavors just infused into the olive oil. This is fantastic. These are the herbs that are in that saucepan getting infused with the olive oil. They are red pepper and herbs de Provence. Yes, we know this is pictured sideways, but this is free-range chicken broth, and we're going to use this to deglaze in this situation. It now seems kind of funny with the fish, but you're going to love it like this. We're going to use some orange lentils to add some color to the bed of this dish. And since these are in their raw state, we're going to get them into the pan early. There they are now, in with our organic chicken broth and just cooking away. Everything's just amalgamating and getting the flavors going nicely at this point. Next up, we're going to add our sugar snap peas, cauliflower, red bell pepper, and carrots. And we're going to mince these up pretty fine because they're going to be part of making this sauce really special. Love this product. This is produced by True Roots. They're sprouted green lentils. And we're putting these in later because they're sprouted, they don't need nearly as much time to cook. We've got all our ingredients into our Medley bed now, and as you can see, everything is just kind of cooking down and everything's kind of coming together. All the flavors are popping. While that is happening, it's time to start on the halibut. And what I like to do is sear this in a square grill pan that I can move from the stove top to the oven. And I'll cook the underside a little bit first and then flip it over to start crusting the top side. We prepped our halibut by putting some garlic and ginger powder on it and a little bit of salt so that we can create a crust and get a little bit of grip in the pan. That's what makes that happen. The halibut's in the oven now at really low heat, like at about 275 for just about 3 or 4 minutes. And meanwhile, there's our lentil medley finishing its way off. The asparagus is really fresh and really sweet this time of year. So I'm going to use that to add some green as a garnish. And this is going to go on top afterwards, uncooked. When your halibut comes out of the oven, don't let it sit in the grill pan or it will overcook. And then get it plated up over the medley bed, as you can see here, with our asparagus garnish. And we've also added some chives to complete the appeal. Doesn't that just look amazing? Well, you've got it plated up, so rush it out there when it's hot. This is R.J. Kirk with Cafe 1853. Enjoy!